Hey, what's happening, everyone? I want to give you an example of the power of the PDR box. Now, I have a hood here on a Honda, and I'm doing demonstrations on it. It's not the best quality hood, but I wanted to put this thing to the test and make it an extreme situation. So I put a nasty dent in there, oil can dent, and you'll see in the video provided here what happens and how effective of a tool it is. It's pretty awesome. Stay tuned.
Well, for all the low spots first, moving around, bringing up everything, kind of like, oh, there it goes. There's the oil can. Not sure if that's going to stay up, so I'm going to continue going. Kind of like filling up a grave, you go, or a hole. You go for the deepest parts first. I'm just making spiral moves here. I'm going to try not to knock it out as much as possible.
Hey.
Sorry about the phone going off. Okay. Move right along. Bringing up the low spots. If you could see it, it actually, you see the tool moving around as you're moving it. I'm barely touching it. It's making contact with the panel. Paint is removed from the backside.
So we go ahead and cross-check here. I was working it from the other angle. That's low. That's low there. It's a little bit low here. And a little bit low here. So all the paint is removed from the backside, including the E-coating. I got raw steel here. This was an oil can dent. And I'm about to pull up the temperature gauge here so you can see where we're at. There's a little bit of a high spot right there. Easily knocked down with a few knockdowns. We're at 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Temperature is 151 degrees. It's warm, but it's not terribly warm. 113, 110, dropping. That quick. Oil can is gone. Dent is removed. Maybe a couple other pushes right here. Incredible tool. Oil can is prevented. It gives the appearance that it's high in this video, but it really is not. There are some high spots that do need to be knocked down. We go right here a little bit. And right there. So that's at a setting of 202.36 degrees. Or voltage. There you go. There you have it. Maybe a couple knockdowns. pretty darn sweet.